Let's make order with me. First, prepare the paper. DTF paper doesn't print without attaching paper. Apply painter's tape to combine them. After that, printing. Apply DTF powder and cook it until it melts and you can see shiny. Prepare the space and pre-press the shirt. Take measurements where you want to apply DTF sheet. Apply heat-resistant tape so it doesn't move. Apply Teflon sheet on top of the shirt and apply heat for 70 seconds. After that, remove the Teflon sheet and let it cold to transfer. Or apply cold water tissue paper to make it cold. Remove the tape and peel off the sheet. If you have any questions, you can ask me. After removing the sheet, apply heat for 10 seconds again. Final result.